Hello everyone, and welcome to this video demonstration of our coronavirus tracker website. This project was made from a group of 3 friends, of which 2 of them are a group of developers, and the other one contributed to the SEO side of things. Now the first thing you will notice when you go onto the website is you'll get a glimpse of the entire world. You'll be able to see the total number of cases ever reported, the currently active cases, and information about the recoveries and the deaths. You can also see how these numbers have changed throughout the day. These numbers right over here are updated every 5 minutes. Scrolling a little bit more down, we see visual representations of the data above. On the left, you can see that we have a graph which is split based on 5-day intervals. If I were to hover over any of these points, I would see the corresponding number. I can also decide if I want to do a log scale. On the right hand side, I have a pie chart which is very helpful in seeing the overall picture. You can click on any one of the items in the legend to remove it from the chart. The pie chart is also updated every 5 minutes. Scrolling a little further, we have our main table which aggregates information over 200 countries worldwide. You can sort the results. You can customize the per page. And you can search a country. So let's say we want to search the country Italy. So we will search Italy right over here, and we can click this right over here. Now we can see more information about Italy, including its total, active, recovery, and death count. We can see the same sort of graphs that we saw, but this is specifically for Italy right over here. So I could do a log scale, and I could see this information right over here. Scrolling a little further, we can see the top news in Italy, and if we were to click on any one of these, we would get more detail. For example, who published it, the link to the article, and how long ago it was published. If we go back, let's search up the USA. So USA is right over here. In countries such as the USA, China, or Canada, you can actually see more information based on the provinces or states. So for example, in the USA, we can see information about each one of the states right over here, and I can search for any of the states. So for example, let's search for Texas, and then you could see information about Texas right over here. As always, if you go more down, you can see information about the article. So let's go back. Some of the other features of the websites are the following. Right over here, we have a pandemic test. And if I were to click start, basically the goal right over here is to click on these items in a way so that you would prioritize from most importance to least importance. Once you select all of them, you'll be able to see information about what your current score is or how we rate you. If I go more down right over here, I can see what do I need to know. So this is information such as common facts, which tell you how you can stay safe during this pandemic. If I were to go down to the footer, I can see information about the sources. So the sources right over here help you understand how we use our information or where we get our information from. So you can see we use information from the World Health Organization, JHU, Rotometers, Wikipedia, and of course, Google News. If you're interested in sharing the website, we also have many places you can do that. You can do it through any one of these, or you can click the link right over here to copy it. You could also get in touch with us if you need to under the About Us section and enter your message right over here. This website was made primarily using React, and of course, it works on mobile because everyone's on mobile nowadays. That was our presentation, and hope you enjoyed our website.